Amakagari kurenga mu Rwanda Abaateganisiibwe okwijura ko omugyera gwa Nyamwamba nogo gahirwe obuhwezi okuyamba abatura b'emyanya egi kandi obuhwezi obu buhirwe ab'ekitongole kya Maltese International.
We've donated include soap, about 6,700 pieces of soap. We've donated sanitary pads and knickers to women, about 1,239. We've also donated some basins to persons with disabilities and those who are affected by these floods, about 500 pieces.
Dennis Olaka or project manager kurwa mu kitongole kya Maltese International nagira ngo bakozere okuhwera oku bwanyuma y'okukwatwaho ahabwa omugyera okuteganisa emiturire y'abantu omu kyanga eki.
And of course, as you know, the supports have been split according to the items, so they will all be going to different persons depending on the level of effect of this flood.
So we are looking at Muhocha IDP camp and some of the internally displaced persons, those who have failed to get where to go, especially those who have moved around and they have failed to get their host families. Those will be beneficiaries of the food that we have already requested from the office of the Prime Minister.
Hamuna twera ori omuhwezi wa chairman w'entebe ya katana bwa district ya Kasese yasime ekitongole eki okukwatiraho n'abantu abine oburema ha mibiri yabo.
So I want to thank you so much because in most cases when we are considering affected persons, we have not put in place people with disabilities.
Ekitongole eki kyagaruka kyahereza piki ibiri eziragume nezikoresebwa omu bwire bw'ebigwerezi.
And one is going to Kagando Health Center to support in frontline response. We want to request that for the bikes that have been donated, they make good use of it, particularly to support in response during this disaster.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.